How to fix Telegram download stuck easily and fast. Hello guys, welcome back to this new short tutorial. I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easily and fast. First thing you wanna do is open the settings on your phone, and then you have to go into the apps manager. When you open the apps manager, on this page you would find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you want to do is make sure to scroll until you find the Telegram right here. And when you find it, you have to click on it like this. It will take you to this page. All what you want to do here is click on this force stop option to stop the app from running, and then go to the data usage and make sure that all those options are enabled. Last thing you want to do now is go back and open the storage option, click on clear cache, and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.